How cute. Morning people. Didn't sleep very well. Day 2 today, which is a full day at sea. What I do know is we're at the Enchanted Garden tonight at 5:45 for our evening meal. And there's a Mickey's Pirates in the Caribbean show, so let's do it. Time for some breakfast to start the day off. Tonight's pirate night, I think. We were going to order room service for breakfast, but we'll do that another day. We're going to go with cabanas this morning again. Morning. Bread rolls, pound cake, muffins, ham and cheese omelette, bacon, grilled steak, Mickey waffles, and donuts. Make you a fresh omelette as well. Nice. Oh, what a place to have your breakfast. This is why I always put on a ton of weight, because I never eat breakfast at home. What is it you're on about? Oh, that collecting your charm?
Yeah. Then bingo pre-sales at 10.
Who?
Bingo
oh, a bingo. Bingo. Right, okay.
Then we've got learn to draw BB-8 at
I'm just selecting these the love art things. Alright, so we can do a couple of hours in the pool then, can't we?
Then we've got bingo pre-sale at 3:15.
Again?
Yeah, this one's going up to 5,000.
How cute. You've got a little girl anyway, she's just 26.
She hates people, she wouldn't need them.
Hang on, is that your cue? So the queue goes all the way around there and comes back out here already. Bloody Nora. So we're just here to collect a complimentary charm from Diamonds and Wishes. I expected it to be a massive queue here as well, but it's not. So there's no mega rush to get in here. I think they do it twice a day. No, it's not twice a day, but it is twice today. 9:30 and then 6:30. They only do it once tomorrow. I spoke too soon, there is a queue now. But they just opened the doors to the store. And everybody, it was like a bit of a rush. Everybody just went in. It's not bad though, $80 for, what did she say, a family pack, isn't it?
Alright, welcome everyone. Who wants to win some money? My name is Inez, I'm part of your entertainment team. I come to you all the way from Buenos Aires, Argentina. Anyone else from Argentina? One from the member team, yay! I'm not alone. Okay, let's do something else. Anyone from Earth? Yeah! It's B13.
Ice cream.
What flavour?
Chocolate, please. That's a stingy amount, that. Are you wearing that later? Hey, didn't win at bingo, which is typical for me. It is boiling. Gonna go and learn how to draw BB-8, and then we're doing the pool. That looks like a lampshade.
Even leaning up towards the top of it.
It's good, that, Josh. Very good. Very good. I don't know what to say about mine. How clever. It's just too busy for me, this. Well, it was an afternoon in the sun, not so much in the pool. All the pools are absolutely rammed. I do like a pool. I'm not really finding my cruise mojo at the minute. Early days. Just me and Josh for pirate trivia, and as trivia goes in general, I don't think I know much about pirates, so we'll see how this goes. I half expect the end to be the same as it is now. Nothing.
No, we're gonna answer.
The what?
It'll probably give us options on that.
Are you sure? What, like multiple guess? Just go for C.
Question number 1. Who gave Will Turner the gold coin medallion when he was a child? C.
Do we just go with C?
Captain Jack Sparrow, or D.
I don't think we've done very well here.
Okay,
A monkey.
Converted paper.
A sparrow.
it is indeed a sparrow. Yes.
Why would you put a monkey?
Because sparrows seem too obvious.
How many
That's
right
no
answers
good.
you have? 17. Perfect. We have a winner right here.
Why would I need to memorise all the answers?
Because we're going to the internet, aren't we?
So we're going to go back and do it.
Just we're going to get less.
We seem to have been gifted a magnet. Look at this one as well. Bloody hell.
Put pins on the wall too.
Oh, unofficial pin trading. Clever. Yeah. Hey Stefan, you alright? Yeah. 37. Here we go. See ya. A what? Carrot and cilantro.
Carrot and cilantro soup.
You're never going to eat all that, you? Oh, bloated after that. The Enchanted garden was lovely. Reese and Stefan were awesome, same as yesterday. As soon as we sat down, they knew what we were drinking, and it's a good experience. Ended up with a carrot and cilantro soup. The vegetable samosa. I went with the jerk chicken, and Amanda and Josh ended up with the lamb shank. I think I need to lie down. All the desserts too. A fruit cobbler. Can't remember what it was that Joshua had. I had a rum soaked chocolate cake. You couldn't half taste the rum. Oh, he's already been. So his bed's already done up. What time is it? 5 to 7. I don't know what they are. Like dried fruit.
Like some.
Oh my god. No. Pianist was quite good, and now it's time for a magician.
Here's Blake Vogt.
Blake is gonna make my body look like J-Lo's.
I mean, I don't know how you do it. You know, we expect so much from you. You really always
That was clever.
These scoundrels will once again sail the seas.
Arg, ahoy, mateys, and welcome aboard! Where be my pirates? Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We're gonna be money, right, but then you drink up, we got it, yo ho. Everyone, one more time! 1, 2, 3! A pirate's life for me!
And remember, dead men tell their own tales.
Felt lucky with that spot for the fireworks. I had no bloody idea where was going to be the best spot. Bit of a gamble that paid off. Right, well, as if I haven't eaten enough, I'm just going to order some room service. I'm going into a new time zone, so the clocks go back tonight to get an extra hour in bed, which is well needed. Right, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.